He keeps licking my hand. Sorry, my child is here. Bring your baby to work day. Falcor, up, up. Yeah, what a good boy. You don't lick things. It's spooky season, Mother Truckers. Today we're going to make some really, really yummy cookies.
Cookies.
Molasses cookies. Why are we making molasses cookies?
Because I'm clever.
They have lots and lots of spice that are in tune with the season. They are also delicious, and I get to make whatever the fuck I want.
Damn right.
And now to introduce our haunted ingredients. So here we have dehydrated ghost, graveyard dirt, lantern grease, powdered zombies, demon blood, vanilla bean paste. Then we have condensed smoke, unkoshered salt, some grounded runes, and some chicken fetuses. All for your pleasure and mine. Be very nice. It worked very hard on its costume. So now we're going to add our dry ingredients first. Ooh. Everybody gets spanked.
It's spanking time.
And of course, with the help of my trusty wand, it worked really hard on their costume too. Let's get mixing. All right, and now to mix the wet ingredients. And next, vanilla bean paste. Ooh, so yummy. Sticky, just the way I like my man.
I'm a man. I'm sensitive.
Next, we're going to add our lantern grease. Ooh. Make sure it's nice and softened. So now we have our wettest ingredients, but before we add our demon's blood and our graveyard dirt, we're going to need a very special kind of wand. One that is specifically for wet ingredients.
Oh, ha, 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 I get it.
So after you've beaten your ingredients off to the point where they're nice and smooth and wet,
Wet. Wet again.
it's time to add our graveyard dirt. Ah, no, you fell inside. You're gonna die now. And then we just mix her up nice and even. It's what Satan would have wanted.
Satan is good. Satan is our pal.
Looking good. All right. And now it's time to add our wet ingredient concoction to the dry ingredient concoction.
No way, buddy. I'm out of here.
Right here. Ooh, this is gonna be interesting. And now for the juicy part.
Juicy.
Adding demon's blood. Ooh, yucky. So yucky. Get your butt out of here. There we go. And then we're just gonna go for it.
Go for it. Go for it. Go. Go for it. Go for it.
Ah! Oh, my sleeves. How witches got anything done with these sleeves, I don't understand.
Magic, 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 magic.
Now the hard part is making two types of mixtures see eye to eye.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Double, double, toil and trouble. Cosmo Stepbro dressed as Bubbles. Vera Vanguard in pink tutus. Nate the editor as a Labubu. Double, double, toil and trouble! So now it's time to prep the cookie sheets. Because we don't want to get demonetized, we are going to cover them up.
I knew it was a cover-up.
Here we go. All right. So now we're going to take our grounded runes and we're going to make little eyeballs out of our dough.
Eyeball the eyeball.
Like so. Then we're going to put them in, but only one side. And then we're going to place them on our cookie sheets. we're gonna Hansel and Gretel this ass. We're gonna go ahead and put these guys in the oven.
The oven?
Ooh, so warm, so hot. 1, 2. Alrighty. We're gonna do that for about 13, 14 minutes, and that's it. So now we're gonna put our drying racks down.
Oh my God, that's a great rack.
And our mitts on. And I already pulled the cookies out because I was impatient.
I never lost a patient yet.
Now we're gonna put these guys right on the cooling racks for a couple minutes. Let them cool for about 10 minutes, and once they are cool, we're gonna put them on a big juicy plate, and then we can have some.
I can't wait that long.
So now that our cookies have cooled, it's time to put it on our special plate. Yeah, so delicious. All right. Woohoo! So excited for cookies. They're so pretty, and I know they're gonna be extra yummy. And there we have it. We have our molasses cookies just in time for Halloween, even though this is actually filmed in September.
When? Wait, hold on. Back it up. When? What? Where? Who? What?
Holy shit. Oh yeah, baby. I'm so glad I made very many. This is gonna have to last me until Halloween, but I know this isn't even gonna last me through the weekend.
But you must.
Sorry, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have molasses cookies. Oh, shit. That shit's good. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with all your friends and everything. And of course, comment below. Let me know how you liked all the Halloween costumes you saw today. They were really fucking good. And as an extra special treat for this episode, I brought my cat Peach here, and she's dressed up in her costume. Come on. Yeah, doesn't she look so good? She's actually an orange kitty.
Get back, witch!
And of course, happy Halloween, motherfuckers. I will see you guys later. My dog is begging me for cookies. I know you wanted it so bad, but cats can't have molasses cookies. I'm gonna keep eating these. No one's gonna stop me. I'm an adult. I will see you next time. Bye. Falcor, come on, move. Move, buddy boy. Well, you're not Falcor, you're Peach. Such a convincing costume. Yes, yes, yes.